Hey everyone, Bill at Power Hungry here, and Summit 7.3 is coming up pretty quickly. In addition to the conference, we're also offering Minotaur training classes. Now this year we're going to be doing two separate classes that'll be running simultaneously. We'll be doing a beginner's class and an advanced class. The beginner's class will be hosted by Andrew Arthur, and we'll cover the basics of using the Minotaur software, how to load files, basic tuning ideas and concepts, just something to get you going, get you using the software. I'll be hosting the advanced class, and we're going to get a little more detailed into how the software works, some of the functions that you might not be utilizing that would make your tuning easier or quicker, and also some of the finer details of tuning the ECM that may not be easily apparent or may not be completely understood. The Minotaur package is an add-on to the Summit 7.3 ticket, so make sure that you get your Summit 7.3 ticket, add the class on, and we look forward to seeing you there. For more information, please click on the links below or visit summit73.com.